Hi everyone, today we have this platform called HelloBonsai and this is the best all-in-one integrated business platform. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. Jumping onto the dashboard, you can see we have an amazing dashboard with our company details. You can even invite your team members. If you head over to that, click on invite team and it will be asking you to put in their email address. Click on this invite member, or you can simply in this pop-up put your email and assign them a role. Once you do that, click on projects. Of course, you are going to be needing to create projects in order to add your team members in that project. So moving back, you will be able to see that we have various other features as well, like for example creating your booking page. If you want to do that and start with a template, you can do that as well. Create a contact forum and click on create forum. You will see various different options. So if you want to use a template, you can go through that. Let's just assume that I want to use this template. I want to edit all of these information, and once I do, I can click on submit and it will be good to go. So really simple to understand and amazing and effective platform that you should try out. You can also see your client management platform. You can create a new client or import a CSV in here. You have your contacts, proposals, forums, scheduling, services, and client portal. So you can see the project management, the one of the most important one in this one. For this, you are going to be needing to create a project. Click on create a project, select a client and assign all the information. And once you add your project in here, you will be able to assign your team members to that project and work collaboratively onto that. So really something that you should try out. You can see different analytics are being displayed, like for example time tracked tasks on your main dashboard. So amazing. For some reason, if you are still uncertain about this platform, you can go through the reviews. You can see it have 4.8 rating on G2 and 4.8 on Capterra. So amazing. You can see the testimonials attached as well. So I would definitely be recommending this site. You can head over to the link in the description to access this site. Also get yourself exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.